Hello friends, this is my first video for Algo Trading series. I'll be posting subsequent parts to it. In this video, we'll talk about installing Python and installing modules that are required to make our system. I'll also tell you how to subscribe for the data feed API. What API does is basically provide you data for making an indicator. Like you need indicator for your system. If you want to buy when the price crosses above moving average and you want to sell when price crosses below moving average. So for making that indicator you need data and API will provide you that data. First we'll subscribe to free source, that is Alpha Vantage, and then we'll move to the REST API. I'll let you know more about it in subsequent videos. I'll make it very easy for you, but you have to be with me till the end. I'll provide you resource to the extent that you just have to copy paste the code, and in the end each one of you will have your own automated trading system and you will be using it. It will be your system so that you have confidence in it and you know it in and out. Now we'll start downloading Python and our modules. So for that, log on to tradingpeacefully.com. I'll upload all the resources here only. So go to the first post and you will find a link to download Python. If you have 64-bit system, then use this link. If you have 32-bit system, then click here. If you click here, it will start downloading, and now you have to execute it. So it's actually already installed in my system, so I'll not install it again. I'll cancel it. You just go and install it. After installing Python, go to C drive of your computer, then go to users, then go to the username whatever it is in your PC, then here write app data. After this, go to local, search for programs, go to Python 3.7, go to scripts. Here you will make a new text document. You can name it anything or don't, it doesn't matter. Right here CMD. We are actually making command prompt. Okay, so save it. Save as type, select all files, then save it as anything 111 AA dot. You have to save it in batch file, so use BAT extension, BAT. Save, close it. It's here. Open it. Now just you have to install all these 4 modules. Install them one by one. Select it, copy it, paste it, and hit enter. Then after it is actually already installed in my system, so it will not installed again. Okay, and after installing after installing all 4 of them, we are good to go. So the last thing we have to do is subscribe to our data feed API. For that, click here on Alpha Vantage. Enter here investor or student, organization and your email. Click on I am not a robot and click get free API key. It will generate a API key here. Copy it and save it in a text file anywhere in your system. This is it for this video. Subscribe to the channel and press notification, and share this video in your trading groups and with friends so that they can also start learning. And I have also made a Facebook group for doubt and discussion. If you are not joined, I'll share link in the description. From next video we are good to go to start coding our first trading algorithm. Till then, peace out.